In today's video, I will walk you through how to use CoinMarketCap to track crypto prices and market trends. CoinMarketCap is a website where you can get important information about the crypto market. On this website, you can check the global crypto market cap, which shows how much money is invested in cryptocurrencies worldwide. At the top of the page, you can see the total number of cryptocurrencies available in the market. You can also see how many exchanges are available where cryptocurrencies can be bought and sold. The global crypto market cap shows the total amount of money invested in the entire cryptocurrency market. You can also check the 24-hour volume, which shows how much cryptocurrency trading has taken place in the market during the last 24 hours. You can view Bitcoin dominance, which shows how much of the total crypto market is represented by Bitcoin. You can also view Ethereum dominance, which shows the market share represented by Ethereum. These figures, including global crypto market cap, 24-hour volume, Bitcoin dominance, and Ethereum dominance, can be checked directly on the page. When you scroll down, you can see the ranking of all cryptocurrencies. The ranking is based on market cap, which shows the coins with the highest amount of money invested. Here, you can view the rankings of different coins and track multiple cryptocurrencies. When you select a coin, you can access its details. The coin details page shows information such as the current price, the amount invested in the coin, and the trading activity. You can also check the circulating supply, which shows how many coins are currently available in the market. You can view the total supply, which shows the maximum number of coins that can exist for that cryptocurrency. In the market section, you can see which exchanges support the coin and where it can be purchased. You can also view the latest news related to that coin. The page provides important information about the coin, including its official website, white paper, and community details. To track any cryptocurrency, select the coin you want to check and review all the available information on its page. You can use CoinMarketCap to view different cryptocurrencies and monitor important crypto market information regularly. By checking the available details, you can follow price changes, market rankings, trading activity, supply information, exchange listings, news, and other information related to each coin. Thank you for watching.